Morning, guys. Day 11 of Road to Funded. Um, we are on our second account, so we passed our first fake funded account. Now we're trying to get to 169 without ever going below or ever losing 4,500. So market opened 5 minutes ago. So all right. So yeah, let's take a look at what I have drawn out for this morning. So we have got. All right, there we go. I had all this shit marked out on my phone. I didn't know why it wasn't on here, but yeah, let's mark out some of this shit on ES. So we have um. That's just. Oh wait, that's confusing me. Wait a minute. What the fuck am I looking at? Hold on. All right, now I got all this shit drawn out. I'm not drawing this for our kilo because it's way tucked down here on ES, but. All right, let's go back down in 5 minutes. See what's cooking up. Yes, we're reacting off of this. By the way, I am bullish today. Yeah, I am. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, I don't really want to. Because we swept these two lows and this low, and if we sweep this one, then we're creating new lows. Then we would be trending downwards, and I don't really think we're gonna do that. So I am bullish, and I'm looking for some kind of entry. Here's like a. This is a 5 minute fair value gap. So we might see a setup already. We saw break of structure to the upside, come back down, react off of this fair value gap, and continue upwards. Maybe. I don't know. We will find out. It's also a no news Monday, so I'm not gonna be super eager to enter into trades. I want to trade, but I'm not gonna force it. We did see a little bit of accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I'm also thinking we're gonna continue the uptrend. So yeah. But I think this is a perfect example of accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Or not distribution, but reversal, I think. I don't know, I always forget. Alright, so this isn't so bad. So I'm still bullish because here we created an SMT on NASDAQ. So a trade on NASDAQ would be awesome. And yeah, I'm hoping we create. I hoping we don't like all the way go straight back up again. I hope we create a inverse variety gap right here. And that would be great, but we're getting close. So yeah. All right, guys. So we did see this down candle like encapsulate this candle. So I'm looking for a move downwards into this 1 minute fair value gap, or even all the way down to this 1 minute fair value gap would be great. I have my stop loss below this low. It's also below this new wick opening gap. So yeah, if I see a retrace into here, I'll look long. If this just continues long, then we're probably not going to trade today. But if we do see that retrace, I'd love to enter a trade. We can even target up here, but I'm looking at this main target right here, this fair value gap. Yeah, guys. Still kind of waiting for something to happen. Yeah, we kind of went into this 1 minute for value gap, but I'm not willing to enter this high. I wanted to see it come back down here and get a better risk reward, but um, yeah, if we come down here, I'll still enter. But if we just break upwards, then no news Monday. Not gonna take a trade. Not gonna force anything. So yeah. All right, so I kind of gave up on that entry, and I'm looking at another entry that could happen. Is off of this new week opening gap high. Um, we reacted off of this 1 minute fair value gap. We continued upwards. So if we see a retracement, and then I can find an entry long, I'm gonna enter low risk with a tight stop loss. See if we can get a good return. All right, guys. So we're in this very low risk. Trying to see if we can take out these. If we do get another reversal entry, I might enter a little bit more. If we break through this fair value gap, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Alright guys, so I moved my stop loss to break even. If we see a retracement back to, oh, never mind. Looks like we're just gonna take out. Oh wow. Yeah, I was looking to get another entry down here, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get that. But it looks like we might go ahead and looks like we might hit our first take profit. We're seeing a little bit of reaction off of this level right here. Hopefully we break through and take our big profits. I don't really want to enter again this high up, so I was thinking if it came back into this fair value gap, I could maybe enter again, but we've come too far. And maybe down here I would have, but not all the way up here. Hoping we don't reverse off this level too much, maybe back into this fair value gap. Maybe if we come back in here, I'll enter again. Interesting. So we create a 1 minute inverse fair value gap here. I'm thinking if we break that, then I might enter another trade going long. Just more position, I guess. We might come out and get stopped out at break even. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but looks like we might get stopped out here. All right, we did get stopped out. Unfortunate, but yeah, unfortunate, but we shouldn't have lost any money. We can check. Yeah, we're still at 159. Let's just look at close positions. Yeah, only lost $31 today. You know, it's a no news Monday. Took a small risk trade. It looked good. Looked like it was gonna go, but we didn't end up going, and we managed our risk pretty well. This might reverse up. You know, if it does, it means nothing to me because I still took a trade on a no news Monday, which is enough for me. And yeah, we didn't lose anything. We tried. Low risk. I'm happy with what we did today, and yeah, that's fine. It's not a trading day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.